Solve this equation by completing the square method. You see this 3 we shift here, it will be 2x square minus 5x is equal to minus 3. Divide the complete equation by 2. It will be x square minus 5 by 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we arrange the first two terms according to the formula a minus b whole square, that will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will be x square minus 2 into x into 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 square minus 5 by 4 square is equal to minus 3 by 2. You see, this 5 by 2 we multiply and divided by 2. So this denominator become 4, and by 2 by which we multiplied, it is here. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This 5 by 4 square we added as well as subtracted because we need it, but it is not here exist. So we add and subtract. Now this minus 5 by 4 square we shift here. It is x square minus 2 into x into 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 square is equal to minus 3 by 2. This we shift here, it is negative. When we shift it here, it will become positive. It is 25 by 16. Okay, 5 square is 25, 4 square 16. Negative term we shift here, it will become positive. Now you see, it is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b the whole square. Okay, and here we take LCM. LCM will be here 16. 16 we divide by 2, 8 we will get, minus 3 into 8 will be minus 24 plus 25. That will be 1. It is x minus 5 by 4 the whole square is equal to 1 upon 16, or it will be x minus 5 by 4 is equal to plus minus 1 by 4. Okay, what we have taken here? Square root. We write taking square root both sides. Okay, so it will be x is equal to 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4. Once we take positive sign and once negative sign. When we take positive sign, x we will get 5 plus 1 by 4, and when we take minus sign, x we get 5 minus 1 by 4. Here x we get 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2, and from here x we get 4 by 4, that is only 1. So the two values of x that are the roots of this quadratic equation are 3 by 2 and 1. Find the root of this quadratic equation by completing the square method. If we want to use completing the square method to find the roots of this quadratic equation, first of all, the constant 2 we shift in the right hand side. It will become 5x square minus 6x is equal to 2. This minus 2 when we shift in right hand side, it will be plus 2. Now complete equation we divide by the coefficient of x square, that is 5. So it will become 5x square by 5 minus 6x by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. All the terms in the LHS as well as in the RHS we divide by 5. Now this 5 will be cancelled. We will get as x square minus this 6 we write 2 into 3. Okay, this 6 we write 2 into 3. This x we write here and 5 here. Okay, these two terms we arrange by the formula a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. You see this first two term, a square minus 2ab, this is a square minus 2ab. In the formula we need b square more. What is b here we have? Here b is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 square we need more. That is we don't have here. So add and subtract. 3 by 5 square you add as well as you subtract. Is equal to this 2 by 5 we write as it is. Now this 3 by 5 square, that is 9 by 25, we shift here, and this 3 terms, first 1, 2, 3. This 3 term we arrange by this formula, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This will be x minus 3 by 5 the whole square. And this we shift here, it is 2 by 5, and this negative term when we shift it will become positive, and it is 9 by 25. So x minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to, here we take LCM 25. So it will be 10 plus 9. Okay. So what we get here? We get x minus 3 by 5 the whole square is equal to 19 by 25. Now we take a square root both sides. It will be x minus 3 by 5 is equal to plus minus under root 19 by 25. 19 by 5. Okay. Square root of 25 is fine, and square root of 19 can be written like this only, under root 19. And you know, then whenever we take whenever we take a square root of a number, plus minus both sign we apply. Now this 3 by 5 we shift here, it is x is equal to 3 by 5 plus minus under root 19 by 5, or x we will get 3 plus minus under root 19 by 5. Okay. So two values of x we get by taking plus and minus sign one by one. When we take positive sign, x we get 3 plus under root 19 and by 5. And when we take negative sign, we will get x is equal to 3 minus under root 19 by 5. Therefore, the two values of x that are the roots of the quadratic equation are 3 plus under root 19 by 5 and 3 minus under root 19 by 5. The question is, find the root of the quadratic equation 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 by completing the square method. Again we follow the same procedure. This 5 we shift here, it will be 4x square plus 3x is equal to minus 5. Now divide the complete equation by the coefficient of x square, that will be x square minus 3 by 4x is equal to minus 5 by 4. Now multiply and divide this term by 2. We can write as x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8 square minus 3 by 8 square. This 3 by 4 we multiply and divide by 2. Okay, so by the 2 by which we multiplied is multiply here, 4 to the 8 we get, and the 2 by which we multiplied is here. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square we can get. It is minus 5 by 4. Okay, these three terms are arranged by the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. And this 3 by 8 square we shift here, it is minus 5 by 4, and this will be positive 9 by 64. Now this will be x minus 3 by 8 whole square will be the same, and here we take LCM. LCM will be here 64. 64 we divide by 4, we will get 8. 16 we get. 16 we multiply to 5, we will get minus 80 plus 9. That will be x is equal to x minus 3 by 8 whole square is equal to minus 71 by 64, or x minus 3 by 8 is equal to plus minus under root minus 71 by 8. You see, in the square root we have here a negative value. if we will get a negative value in the square root, then its value cannot be obtained, because it will be now imaginary number. In the square root there should not be any negative number. That's why the roots of this quadratic equation not exist, we write. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. Roots are not real, that is, roots are imaginary. Okay, so if we will get a negative number in the square root, then we will just leave the question at the same place and we will write that the roots are imaginary.